Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to prove theorem 6.1 from chapter 9, which is areas of parallelograms and triangles. Okay, so what is theorem 6.1? Parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Hope you know about parallelogram. So what is parallelogram? Opposite sides are equals and parallel also. That means this and this are opposite sides. So this equals to this and parallel also. Okay. And also this side equals to this side and parallel also. Okay. So let's imagine this is A, B, C, D is a parallelogram where AB equals to DC and AB is parallel to DC. Also AD equals to BC and AD is parallel to BC also. Okay. Now what it is telling? Parallelograms on the same base. Let's imagine this will be the same base DC. And between the same parallels, what are the parallels for this? AB. So parallelograms, if we will imagine two parallelogram, one is this, one is ABCD and another one is this. Let's say this is E and F. So we have two parallelogram now, ABCD first and second is EFCD. Same base. What is the same base? DC, and between the same parallels. Same parallel is AF and DC. Are equal in area. Means these two parallelogram will be equal in area. That means what we have to prove that? Prove that area of ABCD, one parallelogram equals to another parallelogram. Area of what? EFCD. Right? Now, see. Hope you remember about the property of parallelogram or two parallels. If we have two parallel line and one line is intersecting these two parallel lines, so the corresponding angles will be equals. So what are the corresponding angle? This. That means this equals to this if these two lines are parallel. Okay. Same logic for this also. This equals to this. Correct. These two are corresponding angles. Also this equals to this and the rest one this equals to this. That means all corresponding angles are parallel equals to each other. Got it? Now see in this triangle, take triangle AED and triangle BFC. Okay, see. AD is parallel to BC, right? That means this BC and AD are parallel lines and AB is intersecting these two parallel lines. So what will be the corresponding angles? This, because this is the intersecting line and this are parallel. So this equals to this, right? Because these are corresponding angles. So we can write down angle A, not A, EAD. A should be in the middle, correct? So EAD equals to FBC. We have to write here because of corresponding angle. Okay. And AD is parallel to BC. That also you can write. Okay. Now the second one. See here. ED is parallel to FC. Right. So if these two lines are parallel and this is the intersecting line. So what are the corresponding angles? This and this. Right. So we can write here angle AED equals to angle BFC. I am just because of corresponding angle of this what? ED is parallel to FC. Correct? You just write all the things. So the rest angle this equals to angle this will be automatically equal. Why? Because in a triangle the sum of angles equals to 180 degree. Correct? So if two angles are equal, so third angle will be automatically equal. Okay? So we can directly write angle ADE equals to angle BCF. Okay? Now we can see all three angles are equal. So to prove the similarity, means not similarity. To prove the similarity, these three angles should be equal. But we can say ki yeah, these two triangles are similar. But we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. So to prove congruent, that one side should be equal also. So you can see here this AB, since ABCD is a parallelogram. Correct? So ABCD is a parallelogram. That means what? That opposite sides are equals. That means AD, what is the opposite side of this AD? BC. That means AD equals to BC. Correct? Now you can see this angle equals to angle this, side AD equals to BC, and this angle equals to this angle. So according to angle, side, angle similarity criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Correct? So let me write that according to notice angle, side, angle similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Correct? So AED, triangle AED is not similar, sorry, congruent to triangle BFC. Correct? Angle, side, angle. So due to angle, side, angle similarity criteria, these two triangles are congruent. So if two triangles are congruent, that means what? Their area will be equals. Correct? So if two triangles are similar, so we can write area of both the triangle AED means this equals to area of triangle BFC. Correct? Now both side I will add this quadrilateral. So let me write this area of AED plus I will write this quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral EBDC means the common one. This one I will write in both the triangle. Okay, equals to this side area of BFC plus area of same thing EBDC. Okay, now area of AED is this plus area of EBDC. So what will be the sum? This plus this equals to this big one means area of ABCD equals to this side BFC plus this common one. So it will become EFCD, area of EFCD. Correct? So the same thing we have to prove. Area of ABCD equals to area of EFCD. Correct? So same thing we have to prove. So this is proved now. Hope it's clear for you. If you have any doubt, you can write your comment in the comment section. Also, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.